Hello, this is Dennis Gag once again of the National Brotherhood of Fathers' Rights. Today's video is about what is a guardian ad litem. A guardian ad litem is a court advocate or a person appointed by the court who's usually an attorney and a social worker all rolled into one. What they do is they usually do parenting analyses for divorces, paternities, and such. However, what they're supposed to be is somebody that represents the best interests of the children. So, there's you and your attorney if you have one. There's the mother and her attorney if she has one. And in addition to that, you've got the children and a guardian ad litem, which is their attorney. And you will find the term guardian ad litem, parenting social worker, social workers, master of social work, PhD psychologist. There's a lot of people that fit that evaluation function. But a guardian ad litem is really somebody who's the guardian of the children, who is a person who is supposed to be representing the best interests of the children. However, the lines kind of get blurred between a legal representative and a parenting evaluator. So you got to be careful with guardian ad litems. They can really run up a tab, and they can be working for the court as well. Kind of the good old buddy system down at the courthouse. You've got the judge, you've got the attorneys, you've got the guardian ad litems, and the evaluators. They all work together in league against you. Now, that's not going to be a very popular phrase, but that's the truth. I've been doing this 25 years, and I've seen it too much. The Father's Rights Protection System has an entire section on guardian ad litems and children representatives and evaluations and such. So you should order a copy of that book. At the bottom of this video, on the face of the video, there's a green tab. Click on that. It'll take you to a whole nother video about the Father's Rights Protection System. You can get a copy of it. There's about 1,000 pages of material. A lot of this is covered in a lot more depth, but you've got to be careful when you get a guardian ad litem to direct the guardian ad litem. Make sure when that person is hired that they are on the same page with you. Put together a written document, get it to that person, make sure they're aware of who you are, background of the case, what you want, why you want it, before they even start the evaluation. Make sure there's a list of references with names, addresses, and phone numbers and emails of the people that you want that person to check out. If you don't help them and direct them, they'll do it their way, trust me. So this guardian ad litem terminology, it can be applied to evaluators or any other master social work or family court social workers, or you'll see CASA workers, CASA, child advocates, those kinds of things. Kind of the same all-encompassing terminology, but again, the difference between a guardian ad litem and those people are people are the representation of the children. The guardian ad litem is supposed to represent legally the children, versus the other people just do evaluations. But I think you get the point. Thanks for viewing. Again, get a copy of the Father's Rights Protection System. For a short time, I'll be doing a free case analysis. If you order a copy of my book, you can talk with me personally on the phone, and I'll map out a personal strategy for you. See you on the next video. Thanks for viewing.